What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am Sir Rich. Let's rock. That's Maru. Check it out. I'm all hooked up. I'm ready to roll. It's March 17, 2023. We about to head out on our first camping trip. Ready or not, we about to hit the road.
I'm zombie but awake 밤비가 내려와 Can't wait, no time is a game so I just put it all my way I'm zombie but awake 밤비가 내려와 Can't wait, no time is a game so I just put it all my way All I need is love, all I need is hope 사랑을 갈구해 랩으로 빡치는 건 나 랩으로 얘기해 막 사는 걸 자랑을 하는 래퍼들 얘기는 no All I need is hope, all I need is hope 현실을 도피해 랩으로 바쁘단 걸 날 필요로 한다고 느끼는 게 살아있다고 날 더 느끼게 해 하고 싶은 얘기들을 담아서 노래로 만들어 나는 길을 받아줘 누구에게 이야기되고 누구에겐 또 이런 얘기들은 뱀이 들어버렸네 밤에 들이부어 절간이 부어버려 툭 튀어나와버렸네 배가 부르지 않게 better rap honey bad honey bad bust down rolling 하나로는 부족해 하나로는 부족하니까 난 손목에 내또 내 목에 챙갱갱 하지 못할 일은 없으니까 가족에게 보여줄 일밖에 이젠 없으니까 Hustle for the best got no time for the bitches 랩을 못한다면 내 노래마저도 예매 Get a money back back new click new whip never put it back payback click clack bang I'm walking like a zombie I'm rapping like a zombie I'm walking like a zombie I'm living like a zombie
What's up, everybody? I'm back. I made it. I'm up at the KOA, Detroit Ann Arbor KOA. 27 miles from the house. Took about 35 minutes to get here. And it's windy out. I hate pulling that trailer when it's like that. That wind just hit up on the side of the trailer, just push it all around. And, you really got to kind of keep the speed down a little bit. But we made it here safe. It's all right. It's a little chilly. It's better than being at home, because I was at home, I'd probably be asleep or close to it. But we take you outside. It's kind of getting dark. Oh, it's dark. Already dark. I need to turn my light on out here. You know what? It's so dark. I'm gonna have to get back with y'all in the morning. Can't really see nothing, so I'm gonna show you the fire, and I'll get at you in the morning. All right. What's up, everybody? I'm back. It's Saturday. Let me take y'all outside and let y'all experience what I'm going through. It's windy out here. See that water? You would think it's a river flowing through. It's a dead end though. The wind ain't no joke and it's cold. I'm about to go back on the inside. Rock don't even want to come out. Woo! Oh no, definitely wasn't good timing on this trip. I'm gonna tap back in. What's up, everybody? I'm back. Sunday. I'm about to head up out of here. Guess what I won't be doing no more? Winter camping. It's a nice little spot, but it's a nice spot in the summertime. Back here on the water. You notice how I like it. It's cold. Plus, when I look at trees, I like to see, I don't like a naked tree like this. Bushes naked. I don't like that. Give me that good fall weather, or I'll take the summer. this winter camping, man. Screw this, y'all. I'm going home.